Hi guys. Workout again. Simplihan lang natin. Yan, ganyan lang. Para hindi naman lagi intense. Nakakapagod din yung intense eh. Simple lang yan, pero ano, nagbaburn talaga siya ng fats. Sa tagiliran yan guys. Para magkaroon ng curve yung ating katawan. Yan, mga body. Mawala yung mga fats natin sa tagiliran. Yan. Maghugis coke. Ay, soft drinks tayo. Oo. Ganyan. Go. Go lang lagi. Bawal mapagod. Bawal sumuko.
Let's go!
Laban lang ng laban. Hindi natin mamamalayan, makuha na natin yung goal natin, di ba? Yung pinapangarap natin goal. Kaya laban lang. Sasayo dyan yung bunso ko. Yung pinapanood ko siya. Sabay kami nag-workout guys. Yan. Kasi kagabi, naggaganyan ako. Ginaya niya ako. Sayang nga lang, hindi siya nakuha ng video. Sayang talaga. Talagang seryoso siya ito kagabi pag-workout. Yung ginagaya niya talaga yung mga ginagawa ko. Gusto niya mag-stop. Puyat ako niyan eh. Pero kailangan mag-workout. Kahit puyat. I mean, araw-araw naman puyat. Kaya engage. Laban lang. Kahit puyat ka. Workout pa din. Thanks for...
No! Don't come back until you find me. Fly!
Hi guys. Workout again.
Please, let me go. Scream all you want. No one will help you. Here are your binoculars. Watch carefully.
Mawawala din yung mga pads na yan.
Is that clear?
Kaya workout ng workout.
A cat like that. Well, kitten, it's all over now.
Kayang tanggalin yan.
Look like that.
Mga bilbil lang yan.
You've got it all wrong. We're best friends, aren't we, kitten?
Mahirap mag-workout pero
I had nothing to do with
kaya,
it. It's all
kakayanin.
chicken's fault.
Don't worry, I'll get you both.
Where's that cat? I don't see anything.
Para maalis yung mga bilbil na yan.
Why did
Soon,
you come?
maalis din
I
yan.
told you I didn't want to see you. You have found him.
Of course, I'm the best father in the world.
Come inside
Enjoy yun lang
quickly.
lagi yung ginagawa.
Wait, I'm talking to it.
Enjoy ko lang guys.
Bye, kitten. See you
Nakakaburn
tomorrow.
ng patsin
See
eh.
you tomorrow. It was good to
Kahit
see you.
ganyan simpleng galaw lang.
Did she just kiss us? She likes me. She likes me.
Thanks for watching guys. Bye!